Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. Today this is for my wedding couples out there who are putting their dance together by themselves. I just want to give you some quick tips on how I like to structure a dance. So if you were to head to our website and go to our BF wedding section, we do have a monthly subscription. We have access to four different slow dance styles, as well as our wedding tricks course and slow dance and party courses as well. So this is how you can utilize that and put together your own wedding dance, okay? So what I like to do first is start with some sort of intro onto the floor. We do have two options right now on our website, of course. So that would be how I start. From there, you can go into what I call your core dance. So we do have four different major slow dance styles: the foxy, the rumba, the V-waltz, and the regular waltz. So whatever your song works best with, that would be your core dance, okay? So the way you could do it, if you're just putting it together yourselves, instead of thinking it like every count has a specific step, like a choreography, it would be more like social dancing, but with a basic structure. So you learn maybe your basic step, a turn, and maybe one other pattern, so maybe like 2 to 3 patterns in your core dance, and then that would be your base of your dance. So you come the intro on the floor, you start doing your maybe foxy dance, then from there we have our chorus, which is like the bigger part of the song, and then you can utilize our wedding tricks course. You can pick out your favorite trick from there and then put that to the chorus, and then from there, when it goes back into the verse, you can continue with your core dance, and then you could repeat that twice, and then from there you can end with a simple dip or another picture line from our wedding tricks course, and that is your full dance. So what we recommend is making it around 2 minutes to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's just the most comfortable and our most common kind of timing, which doesn't feel too long, but feels just enough to get everything out there that you want. So be sure to check out how long your dance is. That usually means it's not going to be the whole song, okay? So that being said, I know that's a lot, but if you are structuring it on your own, that is a great structure and pretty easy to put together using our website and our BF Wedding subscription, of course. I'll link that all below for you. If this feels like too much and you just don't know how to put it together, or you just don't want to put in the effort, we also offer custom choreography, which means that we do all the work for you and then we send you the video of your complete choreography. You let us know how many patterns, basically what your vision is, and then we put it together and send it to you. You don't have to do any of the work, okay? So if that sounds more your speed, I will link those options down below for you as well. So I hope this gave you some insight on how to structure a wedding dance, and hopefully this helps you on your wedding dance journey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can comment down below, you can email us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, okay? Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, check out our website, and we'll see you very soon. Best of luck.